The T-VAC-2 combines compact dimensions with high-performance vacuum excavation built for restricted access environments. At 3.85 meters long, 1.75 meters wide, and with an operating weight of 2,665 kilograms, it's compact, robust, and easy to mobilize. With a 1 cubic meter debris skip and a 150 millimeter 6-inch hose inlet, the T-VAC-2 is built to excavate efficiently without compromising on control. Fully proportional IP65 remote control operation gives the operator a safer working position, better visibility, and reduced vibration exposure. Quality European anti-vibration tracks deliver confident multi-terrain performance, helping the T-VAC-2 reach areas others can't. A remote-controlled, hydraulically operated skip and door make tipping quick, controlled, and productive on-site. 3 easily accessible e-stops plus integrated tilt sensor safety systems help protect both the operator and the machine during operation. From roadworks and utilities, the T-VAC-2 is designed to adapt to the job. Also available with a hydraulic arm offering proportional hose handling, with a 180-degree working radius. Compact footprint. Powerful vacuum excavation capability. T-VAC-2. Power, control, and versatility where it matters.